You know Spyro372. He has a game called Volcano. And, well, I just wanted to try to play it. It seems like a very good game. It has 4,000 more something evidence. That's a lot. Let's try and play. Let's see. Sounds like a really good scripting game for me. I love scripting. It was. We are. Okay, so we're at Survival Volcano. So, it's made by the terrain generator. Whoa. So we're just gonna climb out here. Uh-oh. Let's try again. It would have been very hard to make this terrain. It took like, how long? Maybe like 2-3 days to make this terrain. Because it looks like a very hard shaped terrain. I've tried the terrain generator before. In my next YouTube video, I will show you the game that I made of terrain. So we're at the top here. Okay. So we're at the top. And should I jump in? Should I jump in? Oh, looks pretty hot down there. Well, let me say something from Roblox. There, I'm going to jump in. Oh. Well, bye YouTube. Stay tuned for my game of terrain generator. Bye.